Alright guys, we're going straight into it. As you guys can see there, the measurements for the stuff are gonna be on screen, just in case I don't catch it. But those were 21s, and the 18 millimeter socket and the 18 millimeter wrench. You needed the wrench on this side because you can't get the socket on there. And then yeah, pretty much it. Up here you just need 15 millimeters, whatever you have. On one side, this side right here, you could use an impact to get those out, but the other side, as you guys can see, you don't really have much room. So here's on the other side, I wasn't able to get the camera to actually see, but I'll show you guys kind of like how I got it out. Here's me breaking it out. I just want to let you guys know this isn't a tutorial. I don't really trust this brand as much as you guys might think, because I do still have it. Here's how I got it. This is the belt tensioner thing to remove the belt off the front of the engine, and it's like super thin, so like I was able to get it through there to break it, and then I just used the wrench to get it out. Anyways, the fitment for these coilovers weren't exact. There was like this, like, it was just like a tiny bit off, to the point where it's like, if my shocks, if these shocks that I removed right here were okay, I would have installed them back onto my car, because I was low key not really trusting them. The Here, I'm gonna show you, I bought these off Harbor Freight. They did alright. It's just I wish that the part where you screw in and out was like maybe on the side instead of on top, because that kind of made it kind of hard. I had to do it by hand. I couldn't use like a drill or anything. And you could say like, oh, like put it the other way around. If I put it the other way around, the longer part would hit the top of it. So it was just a mess. But I mean, I got it done. It was pretty easy to use. It just it took a while. Anyways, right here on the left side, where the, what would you call it, the coil is like touching the top of the base, it sits flush. In the new one, it's like one other side sits flush, and the other side is like a little bit off, and it's a little bit like worrying. Like I think I'll be fine, just for the one reason that I hear. Let me explain. This T40, I would recommend you guys hammer it in like as much as you guys can. I actually just put it on there and then try to turn it, and it kind of bent it a little bit, which was a little scary. Anyways, here's me putting it back on. What else? Anyways, yeah, it's just a tiny bit off. If this was my daily, I would probably go buy some originals shocks to replace these, and just take the loss on the whatever I spent. But I just use this car like once or twice a week, so I'm okay with trusting these. I'm not beating on them or anything. I'm just taking it out to go out like parties or anything like that. So, but yeah, I mean, they're holding up so far. I've probably driven it like 6 times and no problem so far. And I mean, compared to riding around with fucked up shocks, this is pretty. This works. They work pretty good. They're amazing if you ask me. But that's it for the rear shocks, and we move on to the fronts. I put thread locker on these, by the way. I don't know if you're able to tell by that. And then I don't think I put the measurements or anything